I didn't want to create a skincare brand unless it sparked social change. We created incredible products that empower you with healthy, beautiful skin and give you the opportunity to change the world.
When I was creating Selfless, I wanted to create products that were a perfect balance of innovative, data-driven, and effective ingredients, but in formulas specifically able to be used by people with compromised or sensitive skin. I've always loved the incredible benefits of ingredients found in nature paired with scientific knowledge of effectiveness, and these products are the best examples of that. While working on building Selfless, I wanted to commit to a specific philosophy. 1. Simple and effective products that deliver results without sensitivity. 2. Elegant and sustainable formulas with ingredients from all around the world. While we prioritize data and effectiveness, I also wanted the products to have lightweight and elegant textures that can be used by all skin types. 3. Each product has purpose-driven and intentional formulas, using exact percentages of active ingredients that match scientific data samples to benefit the skin without over-treating it. I wanted to use the right amount of ingredients to help support the health of the skin rather than just using as many ingredients as possible in a single product. I needed each of the ingredients to be sustainably sourced and mindful of the people who source them. Naturally derived ingredients have the potential to be sourced at unsustainable rates that overexploit regions, extracted in a way that increases carbon emissions, or collected in a way that disempowers communities. I wanted to ensure, to the best of my abilities, that each ingredient left a positive impact on the world. 5. Utilizing innovative ingredients backed by scientific research. When I had the opportunity to sit down and decide which specific ingredients I wanted in my formulas, it was really difficult. I felt like I had so many good options, but I wanted to include ingredients in my products that were innovative and at the cutting edge of skincare science. I am so excited to partner with the Inkey List on this front because they've been a brand that constantly impresses me with their vast knowledge of ingredients and formulation. These products are a perfect blend of tried and true active paired with innovative and sustainable ingredients. 6. Prioritizing active ingredients and non-active ingredients. Typically in the skincare world, it's easy to become hyper-focused on actives, high-strength formulas, and percentages without considering the long-term health of the skin. These strong active formulas can oversensitize your skin. Selfless products balance intentional concentrations of actives alongside soothing and repairing non-actives to support the health of the skin while taking advantage of all the amazing benefits the ingredients have to offer. 7. Balancing simplicity with efficacy. I didn't want to create products that were filled with 50 different ingredients that have a plethora of benefits but are at such low concentrations that you're unlikely to see results. When developing these formulas with our chemists, our philosophy was simplicity with efficacy. Simple formulas with intentionally included ingredients at data-backed concentrations. These products include ingredients I talk about all the time on my channel and love: niacinamide, salicylic acid, centella asiatica, but they also include other innovative ingredients that I'm so excited to tell you about that take the formulas to a new level. And some of these ingredients are found in the first product we're revealing, the moment you've all been waiting for.
All of you who have watched this point are absolutely incredible, and I'm so grateful for each of you who have taken the time to learn about what I want my brand to become, the ethics, the morals, and the impact I want to leave on the world. And your patience has not been in vain because I am so excited to introduce the very first product from my brand, Selfless by Hyram. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, I can't believe this is real. You guys, this does not feel real. I'm so excited. I've been itching to launch a product and the moment is finally here. I am so thrilled to reveal the first product from Selfless by Hyram, the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. This is a gentle active repair serum that gently targets acne scars and hyperpigmentation. When developing this product with our incredible team of chemists, I specifically designed it for people who struggle with acne scars and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. I am so excited for you to get this on your face because, oh my gosh, the results are incredible. I am so proud of this formula. This serum utilizes powerful ingredients with a unique texture that can be added into any skincare routine and alongside your moisturizer. And not only is the formula incredible, for every serum purchased, you are helping fight climate change by protecting forests from deforestation all around the world. Through our partnership with Rainforest Trust, your purchase of this product will directly contribute to protecting forests for life from deforestation and making a critical impact on the future of our planet and generations to come. So why did I develop this formula and why a retinol serum out of all things? I have always loved retinol for its powerful abilities to repair damage within the skin. It's actually one of the primary ways I was able to get rid of my premature aging that I developed when I was 18 years old, in college, stressed out of my mind. I had deep set wrinkles in my face and no idea how to get rid of them, and retinol was one of the primary ways that I was able to do that, and I've been able to keep those premature wrinkles at bay for as long as humanly possible. Retinol has played the biggest role. It's one of the most well-researched over-the-counter ingredients, and I've never been someone to believe that the benefits of retinol should be isolated to an older audience. Retinol was first introduced to help deal with teen acne and breakouts. Over time, it's developed the reputation of being beneficial for people who are struggling with aging, but by no means does that mean that young people or teenagers should be excluded from the incredible benefits that retinol offers. As I've been able to create content on my channel, the #1 question and concern I got on every single platform was how to get rid of acne scars, how to fade hyperpigmentation, and how to prevent post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And when I've looked what's available on the market, I rarely, if ever, find products that are specifically targeted for people struggling with post-acne marks and hyperpigmentation. I knew that if I was going to be developing my own brand and product, I needed it to be unique and offer something new to the industry that had never been seen before. Retinol has long been considered the hero ingredient for repairing aging, but many people aren't aware of its powerful ability to help fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Which is interesting because these are some of my favorite aspects of using retinol. I wanted to create a retinol product that took repairing acne damage to a whole new level. And that is why I created the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. So many of us struggle with so many different forms of damage, and it's hard to find one ingredient that can cater to all of our concerns. Whether you're struggling with acne scarring, those marks that are left in your skin after a breakout, hyperpigmentation, which can come from so many sources, whether it be acne or the sun, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, those red spots we get on our skin after a breakout, this is a powerful serum with a blend of innovative ingredients to specifically target those concerns. Before I deep dive into the ingredients, I just have to talk about the experience of using this product because oh my gosh, it is amazing, the best retinol product I have ever used in my life. When working with our team of chemists, I was very precise with what I wanted out of this product. I wanted a retinol product that was gentle enough to be used by sensitive skin, but also powerfully effective enough to treat skin concerns. I wanted it to utilize other beneficial ingredients to aid in the repairing benefits you see, but at the same time have a gentle active approach with a minimalist ingredient list to be simple yet effective. And finally, I wanted the texture and consistency to be lightweight enough to use alongside your favorite moisturizer, but still hydrating and nourishing enough to compensate for retinol's drying side effects. Those were quite the requests for our chemists in developing this formula because I was asking for something I had never seen on the market before. And our chemists came through and developed this incredible formula. The second I put this on my face, I was obsessed. I have used so many retinol products, had my own personal experiences, and I've seen so many of your comments and messages explaining what you don't like about using a retinol. Oftentimes, retinol formulas are either too runny and too liquid that it's hard to dose it out correctly and you may be applying too much or too little to your face, or they come in heavy, thick cream consistencies that oftentimes aren't able to be used by every skin type and you can't use alongside your favorite moisturizer. I needed this product to be right in the middle, and that is what made me fall in love instantly with this formula. This is a lightweight serum that spreads easily across the face, but gives the skin an instant boost of moisture. Immediately after applying this, your skin looks soft, smooth, and moisturized. I remember when I was in London developing these formulas and I tried this product out for the first time, and I turned to my assistant and said, "Does my skin look smoother? I swear to God, it just instantly smoothed my skin." And I know my skin well. I have to look at it a lot for my job, and I noticed this instantaneous smoothing effect that just blew me away. And every single time I've used it since then, I've noticed the same effect. And this is due to the squalane we use in this formula to help compensate for any drying side effects that retinol can have. I have used so many retinol products where I wake up in the morning and my skin is dry as the Sahara Desert. And I have oily skin. I never wake up with dry skin. So ensuring this formula effectively delivered retinol while still boosting moisture of the skin was so important, and that's one thing I love about this consistency and texture. It does that so well. I and my entire team have never noticed any drying side effects. Each Selfless by Hyram product takes a gentle active approach by including powerfully effective ingredients at intentional percentages to yield the result you're looking for without hurting the health of the skin. In this formula, we specifically use an encapsulated form of retinol. It is well known that retinol deteriorates when continually exposed to air and light, and using an encapsulated form of retinol will not only help the ingredient be better delivered into the skin, it'll also help ensure its stability as well. In addition, with retinol having the reputation of being irritating and sensitizing to the skin, we took a gentle active approach by including an encapsulated form of retinol at 2%. This is the perfect concentration of seeing active results from retinol without worrying about overtreating the skin. One of the reasons I love this formula is because I see consistent, effective results, but I never once see my skin being overtreated, overly sensitized or irritated, or experience any burning or stinging. In my job, I have to test out a lot of skincare products, which means inevitably I will always have a negative reaction to some form of an active treatment like retinol. And in all my time using this, I never once noticed an irritating reaction. Like I said before as well, I have never noticed any dryness or dehydration in my skin. And actually on the contrary, when I use this product, I find that my skin is more moisturized and hydrated in the morning. When I apply this to my skin, I see an instant smoothing effect from the squalane we use and a reduced intensity of the ever so fine lines I'm starting to develop on my forehead from my natural aging. And thank God this does a good job of instantly reducing that and working to prevent that damage as long as possible. Now I know all of you are dying to know, Hyram, why does it say rainbow algae? I first decided on all of my products to lead with 2 ingredients. One tried and true ingredient that I love that is well researched to show incredible results within the skin, alongside an innovative, naturally and sustainably sourced ingredient that has also incredible benefits for the skin. And for this product, that ingredient is rainbow algae. I am so excited to talk about rainbow algae because the benefits and sourcing story are amazing. Rainbow algae is an incredible form of algae found in the ocean that's actually iridescent. It actually shifts colors in the water, making it an incredible organism, but the skin benefits are even cooler. Rainbow algae has impressive data and results when it comes to fading pigmentation in the skin. At 1%, it reduces the heterogeneity of skin tone by targeting pigmentary blemishes, which basically means it reduces the pigmentation that you get from blemishes. And when included at 1.5%, adds more luminosity to the skin tone, showing brightening and hyperpigmentation lifting within just 1 week. This has all been shown within data. And best of all, in combination with retinol, they work incredibly well to not only address multiple forms of damage within the skin, but to also target hyperpigmentation and post-acne marks. This duo makes it extremely effective. But you know, it's just as amazing, the incredible sourcing story that rainbow algae has. Our rainbow algae is actually sourced in Brittany in France through a process that is 100% manually harvested. In order to minimize unnecessary waste of the organism and promote regrowth, each year's growth of the rainbow algae is cut with a knife. They specifically cut the young parts of the algae in order to not hurt or kill the organism, so it will continually grow and create no waste in the process. The retinol we use is vegan, non-GMO, and palm-free. This is so cool and exactly what I wanted the brand to represent in terms of ingredient transparency. There are so many incredible stories to share with you guys. This is just the tip of the iceberg. And actually, rainbow algae isn't the only form of algae in this product. This product also utilizes trialine, an incredible ingredient for boosting emollient and moisturizing properties. The amazing thing about trialine is that it's actually a fermented algae oil with a sustainable sourcing process and a very low carbon footprint. This algae oil is incredible for moisturizing the skin without excess greasiness and oiliness. And actually, when exposed to sun-damaged cells, trialine was actually found to reduce the UV-induced damage and boost skin barrier function. It's an incredible ingredient that works alongside squalane to ensure your skin is properly moisturizing while utilizing the incredible benefits of retinol and rainbow algae. The packaging is unique and special to my heart because, like I talked about before, we specifically use sugarcane bioplastic that actually removes carbon from the environment, and we specifically designed the packaging to have the best possible chance of being recycled. If you want to learn more in detail about the packaging, you can go watch my previous episode of this series that I will have linked down below. As you remove the cap, you will see that this packaging is extremely unique and actually specifically made in order to make sure you're getting the right dose of product into your hand while simultaneously preserving the formula from air and light exposure. With this squeeze tube, you're able to ensure that you're getting the exact amount of drops that you need for your entire face without accidentally overusing the product or overexposing your skin to too much of the formula. So not only does this packaging prioritize sustainability, it actually helps to protect the formula and make sure that you're applying it right every single time. It's so cool. I'm so proud of what we found. This serum is meant to be used at nighttime and is gentle enough to use nightly if you prefer. I personally like using my retinol products every other night to get a good balance of exfoliation and retinol benefits, but we specifically formulated it to be gentle enough so that your skin can tolerate it for nightly use if you choose to go that route. One thing I love about this formula and all of our formulas is that you don't have to use much. You only have to use 4 to 5 drops of this product for your entire face to see the effective results. And because it's so easy to dose exactly how much you need from this bottle, this will ensure that this product lasts you a long time and that you're getting your money's worth. The Selfless by Hyram Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum retails for $30, the most expensive product from our collection. We specifically priced this product and the rest of our products in our collection at a price point that is affordable while fairly compensating the sustainably and mindfully sourced ingredients, high quality, sustainable, and recyclable packaging, and of course, the direct social impact that will help protect forests from deforestation all around the world. The entire Selfless collection, including the Repair Serum, will be available globally exclusively at Sephora, both online and in store on June 24th. June 24th, it's coming up soon. Honestly, you guys, it feels so surreal to be sitting here and revealing my first product. I'm not gonna get emotional. I'm so excited for each of you to see the incredible benefits from this product, for you to fall in love with it just as much as I have, but more than anything, help protect the future of the planet by protecting forests from deforestation just by purchasing this product. This moment is just so special, and none of it would have been possible without you. You guys are the ones who have made this a reality. You are the reason why I'm holding my own product in my hands, and you are the reason you will have an opportunity to use this product for yourself, see incredible results, and make a positive difference in the world. Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you so much to the Ink List for making this brand launch a reality. And of course, thank you Sephora for believing in the products, believing in the vision, and wanting to make it as globally accessible as possible. And I cannot wait to see the ways that we will change the world, not only in helping protect our future, but in also having amazing, beautiful, glowing skin. I am so excited for you to get your hands on our new product, the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. And the great news is that you can sign up to be notified of when this product goes live on Sephora right now by going to the link in my description box below. You will be notified before anyone, so you can get your hands on the products as quickly as possible. We don't know how long stock will last, so I recommend signing up right away to make sure that you can get your product. Make sure you follow Selfless by Hyram on TikTok and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about the brand. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Skincare by Hyram to see daily updates and a more in-depth look at what building Selfless by Hyram has been like. You can go to selflessbyhyram.com to learn more about the brand. To learn more about the brand values and what we do, make sure you go to selflessbyhyram.com. I love you all, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. And I'll see you in the next one.